In Ukiah, California, a troubling case involving former Police Sergeant Kevin Murray has left a community reeling from the cost of police misconduct and prosecutorial negligence. Kevin Murray, once a respected officer with the Ukiah Police Department, faced serious allegations, including sexual assault, drug possession, unlawful entry, witness intimidation, and false imprisonment. Despite overwhelming evidence, Murray received only 2 years probation in a plea deal criticized as excessively lenient. Judge and Mormon, who presided over the case, openly condemned Murray's actions, noting the severe damage inflicted upon the community's trust in its law enforcement. Mendocino County District Attorney David Eyster faced intense scrutiny for his handling of the prosecution, raising significant concerns regarding accountability and transparency. As a result, Ukiah taxpayers have borne the financial consequences, with over $3 million paid out in civil settlements to multiple victims, including a disabled veteran and female officers within the department itself. This scandal underscores the vital importance of full disclosure of officer misconduct, compliance with Brady obligations by prosecutors, and rigorous oversight by departmental supervisors, including Police Chief Thomas Corning, who now faces the challenge of restoring public trust. The Kevin Murray case remains a stark reminder of the ongoing need for integrity, accountability, and justice within our criminal legal system. The obligations of the district attorney in this matter extend far beyond the prosecution of Kevin Murray alone. Under the constitutional principles established in Brady v. Maryland and further clarified in Giglio v. United States, the district attorney's office, led by David Eyster, had a legal and ethical duty to disclose any and all evidence that could impeach the credibility of Sergeant Murray. This includes his misconduct, criminal charges, and internal investigations that could reflect dishonesty, bias, or abuse of authority. Failure to disclose such information compromises the integrity of the criminal legal system. Any case in which Sergeant Murray played a role, whether through arrest reports, testimony, or investigative involvement, must now be reevaluated. Defendants have a right to know if an officer involved in their client's prosecution has a history of dishonesty or criminal behavior. Every conviction secured with Murray's involvement is potentially tainted. His misconduct raises serious questions about the legitimacy of past prosecutions and the fairness of proceedings. It is incumbent upon the district attorney's office to proactively notify all affected defendants, reopen relevant cases, and, if necessary, vacate convictions secured without full disclosure of Murray's history. This is not a discretionary matter. It is a constitutional requirement. The failure to maintain a Brady list or to disclose known misconduct is a violation of due process. Ignoring these obligations can result in overturned convictions, civil rights lawsuits, and the erosion of public confidence in the criminal legal system. As this scandal continues to unfold, the people of Ukiah, and all those who may have been wrongfully convicted, deserve transparency, accountability, and the full measure of justice. The conduct of one officer and the institutional failure to disclose it cannot be allowed to undermine the rule of law. If you or someone you know has had any prior contact with former Sergeant Kevin Murray, whether through arrest, investigation, or testimony, or if you have been involved in a criminal case in Mendocino County where officer misconduct may not have been disclosed, you have the right to seek a review of your case. To request Brady-related disclosures or initiate a case review, you should contact the Mendocino County District Attorney's Office directly. Be sure to include your full name, case number if available, dates of incident, and any known connection to Officer Kevin Murray or other involved law enforcement officers. Clearly state that your request pertains to potential Brady material and non-disclosure of officer misconduct. Your constitutional rights entitle you to a fair trial and full access to exculpatory evidence. If those rights were denied, the law provides avenues for relief. Do not hesitate to assert them.